Ready for the Guess the Food by Emoji challenge? Decode the emojis, guess the food, and have a blast with 40 fun and tricky puzzles. From snacks to sweet treats, it's all here. Don't forget to subscribe for more quizzes. Your brain will thank you. Let's get started. Let's see, can you guess this one? Apple pie. That's a sweet start to the quiz. Well done. Now, let's see if you can guess this one. Bacon burger, the ultimate indulgence for burger lovers. All right, let's keep the momentum going. Bagel bite, a bite-sized treat for any time of the day. Those were the first three. How are you doing so far? Let's see if you can handle this one. Banana bread, a sweet way to use those ripe bananas. Ready for the next challenge? Let's go. Barbecue, smoky, saucy, and oh so delicious. Let's see if you can guess this next one. Blueberry, nature's candy, packed with flavor. Here's your next clue. What do you think it is? Breakfast, the most important meal of the day. All right, let's see if you can figure this one out. Brownie point, a sweet reward for a sweet guess. Ready for the next one? Let's find out. Buttercream, perfect for topping any cake. Let's see what you make of this next one. Buttermilk, the secret to fluffy pancakes and biscuits. Let's keep this quiz going. Here's your next one. Butterscotch, a caramel-like delight. All right, on to the next one. Can you guess it? Cabbage head, a funny name for a healthy veggie. This next one might surprise you. Ready? Cake pop, a portable piece of cake on a stick. All right, what do you think of this next one? Candy stick, sweet, striped, and festive. Here's your next challenge. Can you guess it? Cheeseburger, a fast food favorite. Let's keep this rolling. Here's your next clue. Cheesecake, creamy and indulgent. Ready for the next one? Let's see what you got. Cheese stick, a snack that's hard to put down. All right, let's move to the next one. Chicken breast, a protein-packed favorite. Here's your next food to guess. Good luck. Chocolate cake, a slice of heaven for chocoholics. Let's see if you can guess the next one. Chocolate chip, sweet bits of joy in every cookie. All right, those were the first 20. How are you doing so far? Let's kick things up a notch with the next one. Chocolate milk, the drink of childhood dreams. What do you think of this next one? Cinnamon roll, sweet, sticky, and oh so delicious. Let's keep going. Here's your next one. Clam chowder, a hearty bowl of seafood goodness. All right, here's your next food to guess. Coffee cake, perfect with your morning brew. Here's another one for you. What's your guess? Cornbread, a southern staple that's hard to beat. Let's see if you can guess this next one. Corn cob, perfect for summer barbecues. What's your take on this next food? Cornmeal, a versatile ingredient for your pantry. Let's move on. Can you guess this one? Cornstarch, a kitchen essential for thickening sauces. All right, let's keep the momentum going. Cranberry, a tart delight for your holiday table. Here comes your next challenge. Ready? Cupcake, a tiny dessert packed with flavor. Let's see how you do with this one. Curry powder, spicing up kitchens worldwide. Ready for the next clue? Here it comes. Donut, a sweet ring of joy. Let's keep this game rolling. Here's your next clue. Drumstick, a crispy delight. What do you think of this next one? Eggplant, a purple powerhouse for your plate. All right, on to the next one. Egg roll, crunchy and satisfying. This next one might just stump you. Ready? Fish taco, a beachside favorite. Let's keep this going. What's your guess? French fries, crispy, golden, and addictive. All right, let's see what you've got for this one. French fries, crispy, golden, and addictive. All right, let's see what you've got for this one. Grapefruit, tangy and refreshing. Ready for the next one? Let's see how you do. Green bean, healthy, fresh, and full of crunch. How many foods did you guess correctly in the Guess the Food by Emoji quiz? Drop your score in the comments below and let us know how well you did. Challenge your friends to beat your score and subscribe for more fun quizzes. See you next time.